Well guys, welcome. Today you're gonna watch me do some work on the Buick Enclave that you saw me rebuild on the channel. Nothing crazy this time, just some simple maintenance that is not long overdue. Actually, I'm doing it way earlier than expected just because I want to get it out of the way. So without much more talking, let's get to it. Over here is what's going to go on the Buick Enclave. I have a brand new replacement cabin air filter and a brand new replacement engine air filter. Like I said, this vehicle by no means needs this right now, or it doesn't need it at this very moment, but I'm just trying to get ahead of myself. I like using this brand. I've said it multiple times on my channel, both on the car channel and on the bike channel. These filters are reusable. They are also high flow filters, both the cabin and the engine. You take it out, you wash it, you throw it back in, it's done. So you buy it once and you don't have to buy it again. And I just like it. They claim that you have better horsepower, better fuel economy. I don't know about all of that. I mostly use it because it's reusable, designed to increase horsepower. No idea how true that is. I'm not going to waste your time. Let's go ahead and toss these two filters in the vehicle. So if you're planning to do this, I'm going to go ahead and guess you know how to open the hood. There's the air cleaner box, and there are a couple hardwares we need to remove. And with all the hardware removed, you can simply lift this up and remove the filter. This filter is still in really good condition. As you can see, not a lot of debris in here. This vehicle only has 14,000 kilometers, and when I rebuilt it, it had under 5,000 or 6,000 kilometers. And over here is the brand new replacement. The part number for the engine air filter is 335056 if you're looking to buy one for your vehicle. And this will fit a bunch of other vehicles, not just the Buick Enclave. I believe the GMC Acadia uses the same filter, same as the Chevy Traverse. All those vehicles, I'm quite sure, uses the same filter. Let's get this out of here. And there we see brand new replacement, and it should just drop right in. Look at that beauty. Okay, and there it is, right in place. It fits exactly like the OEM one does, and that's good. So we're simply going to put this back, throw all the hardware in, and we're good for the engine. And with all that business taken care of, you cannot forget the stickers. I think that's where the horsepower comes from. So I threw them on, and we probably gained 50 horsepower just by doing that. All right, so inside the vehicle, open the glove box. There are a couple tabs on each side that you need to pull, and it literally just drops down. And then there is a holder or a tensioner that needs to be disconnected right over here. Anyway, so it definitely helps to have both hands accessible, but this is it right over here, and there is a hole right in there that it goes to. But with that done, that's where your cabin air filter goes, and it is a T15. So remove the hardware in place, and with that removed, tab on the side just like so, and then we can remove the air filter. You can see how much dirt is already sticking out of it. I would like to know what this actually looks like. Not bad. It doesn't look bad at all. Here's the part number for the replacement one, if you guys are looking to put this in your vehicle. I'm not sponsored by these guys, so you guys know. I purchased this thing and I paid the retail prices for both of them. That's what it looks like compared to the other one. Let's throw it in. And we're ready to throw the replacement one in. Should just slide in, just like so. Perfect fit. And the cover is gonna go back in place. Just like so. I'll throw the hardware in, and there it is. And the glove box goes back in. And if you've done everything right, this is what it should look like, all nice and done. Well guys, that's all. Nice quick install. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, comment so you don't miss out on helpful videos like this one. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.